Today is March 26th, the sixth day of the rescue. After a passenger plane with 132 people aboard crashed in South China, Guangxi, Monday afternoon. Now, the excavators are opening a new road on the hill. There are many mosquitoes because of the hot weather. Mosquito coils and other supplies are offered to the rescue team. The core area of the crash site will be excavated as all of efforts are made to continue searching for survivors and the second black box. Field explorations and shallow surface excavation have been carried out at this core crash site.
现在的作业呢，主要就是在这里打通一个电道。我们前期投入了6台挖机，服务车辆40多台，然后2台装载机，还有一部分这个就是救援车。目前在现场的人是100多人，为这个救援工作后台支撑的也有100多人。后期呢，我们随着这个救援的深入，我们想继续加大这个设备的投入，特别是这个大挖机、大型的装载机。
The China Eastern Airlines Boeing 737 aircraft carrying 132 people crashed on Monday afternoon in the mountainous area of Guangxi's Tengxian County. No survivors have been found so far. One black box has already been recovered. The search and rescue scope has been expanded to nearly 200,000 square meters, and more than 2,200 people have joined the rescue efforts. The engine gearbox and the main landing gear remnant were found in the core crash site.